Okay, I'm making this video to show these new LED high beams by deAutoKey. And these are low, and these are high. Significantly better than the halogens. They were only about 80 bucks. Well, that's what I paid. I think they're going to be more. But, yeah, pretty good deal. There's low, and there's high, and you can definitely see around the turns more. Come on right away. Pretty easy to install, and pretty easy to see deer, which I saw some eyeballs out there. Live in a rural area, so it's important to be able to see. So yeah, that's definitely not doing it. That's definitely a lot better. So yeah, pretty good. Might put the original H15s in and do a similar video so we can compare. But for now, yeah, definitely liking these. Hoping my phone mount isn't making this like everybody's seasick, but so far so good, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So decent product for sure.